Það er ekki hverjum degi sem maður gengur í það heilaga.
Það er stór dagur, stór dagur.
Og líka með Auðunni Blöndal, sko.
Gæti verið verra.
Er það?
Nei.
Ég meina, hann er með lim, sko. Það er ekki good shit.
Er það?
Maður veit það ekki.
Ég tjekka á því nýlega. Hann var í aðgerð, hann var að fá lána með peningum til að fara í eitthvað klippi aðgerð í Las Vegas.
Já, hann og Vala Grande og
Já, það er að fara saman.
Nei, það er smá fiðringur.
Fiðringur? Já. Það er yndislegt.
Ég bjóst ekki við að vera að gifta mig í dag, sko.
Það er flott. Hann er að gifta ykkur í álfur, sko.
Þarf maður ekki alltaf að stunda mög með...
Jú, kvöldið eftir.
Er ég að fara í það?
Já.
Það verður að hafa það. Sem betur fyrir ég, brúðguminn og hann...
Hann bítur í kottan.
There you go. Okay. Get really close.
That's really close. Thank you. Ég er með snertifælni, sko.
Egil, Alvin, you stand here today on the threshold of a great adventure and that your marriage to each other. The adventure of marriage is not the reckless abandoning of yourself, your individuality, or your future. It is, rather, the sincere, confident, humble invitation for the love of your life to join you in all that you are, all that you have, and all that you hope to be. See, marriage is a covenant. It's a covenant of promises that are written on the pages of your heart. It's a covenant that says, I can't be certain where the rest of my life will take me. I'm only certain that I want you to go there with me. And because life promises no one wealth, fame, or perfect health, the promise that you make to each other today is a promise that in the best of times, in your moments of greatest celebration, the love of your life will be there with you, they will be there for you, and in the worst of times, in seasons of loss and distress, this same person will be there with you, they will be there for you. You see, when you hold onto your loved one's hand, you're holding your hand right back with a grasp that says, I am your greatest fan.
I am your greatest fan,
I'm a determined believer in who you are and who you can be. I believe that loving you is willing your highest good, and in your race to achieve your purpose and your goals, I will be that voice shouting from the sidelines, go for it, you can do it, I believe in you. And because loving each other is willing each other's highest good, love believes with relentless conviction, love doesn't compete because competition leads to envy, love doesn't boast, love honors by first considering the needs of the other, love does not keep score of one another's mistakes, love seeks to always express itself in truth and faithfulness, love is patient, love is kind, love looks for the best in each other, it believes the best of each other, love never fails. You want to pass your flowers back to your maid of honor?
Pass it to my maid of honor?
Yes. All right. And you want to lift the veil? I don't know if I would if I were you.
Okay.
All right. Egil.
Egil.
You want to repeat after me? I, Egil, take you, Alvin.
I, Egil, take thee, Alvin,
to be my wife.
To be my...
Okay, I'll get it to some men.
Here, let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it. Yeah.
To be my wife.
And these things I promise.
And these things I promise.
I will be faithful to you.
I will be faithful to you.
You better.
And honest with you.
And honest with you.
I will respect and trust you.
I will respect and trust you.
I will stand by your side.
I will stand by your side.
I pledge to you.
I pledge to you.
My exclusive intimacy.
My exclusive intimacy.
That I reserve for you alone.
That I reserve for you alone.
And in the good and and the bad.
And in the good and the
The
bad.
happy and the sad.
The happy and the
I
sad.
commit myself to you
I commit myself to you.
in this covenant of marriage.
And this covenant of marriage.
Okay.
All then. All then.
Yes.
I all then take you, Egil,
I, Alden, take you, Egil,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
These things I promise you.
And these things I promise you,
I will be faithful to you
I will be faithful to you
and honest with you.
and honest with
I
you.
will respect and trust you.
I will respect and trust
I
you.
will stand by your side.
I will stand by your side.
I pledge to you
I pledge to you
my exclusive intimacy
my exclusive intimacy
that I reserve for you alone.
that I reserve for you alone,
And in the good and the bad,
in the good and the
the
bad,
happy and the sad,
in the happy and the
I
sad.
commit myself to you
I commit myself to
in
you
this covenant of marriage.
in this covenant of marriage.
All right. Do you have rings? All right. There we go. Do you have a ring?
No, it's
Just the one?
just my wife.
All right.
Just for the okkur
Go
bara ég.
ahead and just place it on her finger.
This one.
That's fine.
Okkur segir hann alltaf her. Sér hann ekki að ég er með tippi hérna maðurinn? Ekki festa hann á, þetta er nóg, þetta er gott.
All right. Egil, you're going to come stand right here where I'm standing. All then, you'll stand right here.
Okay.
Put your inside arms around each other's waist. Just like that. Come over a little bit. Oops.
Sorry.
Passaði brjóstinu að raskan.
These two candles burn in symbolic representation of your life as individuals up to this moment. They're burning here bright with the hope and the promise of your future together. I'd like to take these two candles and ignite a flame that represents two becoming one.
Ok. Hvað er að gerast hérna?
Tveir eru að verða einn. Ok.
Þetta er eftir erfiðast að syngja.
Right together in front.
Ó.
Egil, along with family and friends that are not watching on the internet.
Yeah,
family and friends.
Yes.
It's been our pleasure to witness your pledge to love, honor, and cherish each other. Believe in the power of love. Believe in the, I don't know what I believe in anymore. Believe in your commitment to build a life together makes me very proud to pronounce you partners in life. You two may seal your promises with a kiss. No kiss, no marriage.
Kistu mig.
Engin koss.
Ok. Til. Viltu taka svona upp og kissa?
Ég veit það ekki.
Kistu mig. Ok.
Oh, I wish that there were more than 24 hours in the day. Even if there were 40 more, I wouldn't sleep a minute away. Oh, there's blackjack and poker and the roulette wheel, a fortune won and lost on every deal. All you need is a strong heart and a nerve of steel. Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas with your neon flashing and your one-armed bandits crashing. All those hopes down.
Jæja, þá komum við þessu. Það er allir ánægðir með því hérna. Já, það er að labba. Yeah!
You'll never be the same again.
Herri, á ég að kasta? Okay. Catch it. Yeah.
Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas.
Ég lag ekki til að innsigla hjónabandið með þér núna.
Æ, aldrei. Þetta er eins og nefnist, þú bara eins og segir.
Ég þarf alltaf að halda þér yfir þröskulum.
Já, mást að tala um það.
Já, það ekki eitthvað regla það?
Jú.
Ég ætla að henda kökunni bara inn.
Ok.
Og sjá. Hvað er þetta? Dót er þetta hérna? Hvað þarf ég að henda þér í rúmið eða bara yfir þröskuldin?
Bara bera með mér yfir þröskuldin.
Nei, það var við þess. Ok. Sér maður þetta þungur, maður.
Ég er með smá holiday weight.
Hvað varst að borða?
Ég er búinn að vera í Bandaríkjunum í 10 daga, maður.
Jæja.